Here is possible for a unique, most beautiful and modern, easy dye project to wall decoration ideas to living space. I hope you like today. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you like today this video about of 10 and most beautiful easy dye wall decoration ideas for your living space. So let's see now. Get creative and give your walls and personal touch with these easy dye decoration ideas to sleeves to art, and we got you covered. And dye wall decor to home decor and wall decoration ideas, and easy dye and home makeover and decor inspiration and wall art dye project. Let me know you like me to make a changes and some other videos to dye wall decor ideas to elevate your space and transform to your wall with these easy dye ideas and dye wall decoration ideas to need to try and get creative with these dye wall decoration ideas. In this video, wall and wow decoration ideas to impress and wall decor budget on the affordable ideas from the blank and beautiful dye wall decorations to wall decor ideas to match your style and revamp your wall with these dye decorations and dye wall decor to beginners and easy to ideas, and get crafty dye wall decoration ideas to space and creative decoration ideas to your living space. And some additional information shared today in this video. Remember, you keep this video informative and the hanging and engaging in your home decoration to relevant reach to wonder in your guest. I hope. Please don't forget this like and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more videos update, because